Hey everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. This video is going to be amazing. Please do watch to the end to see this amazing burger.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain. Won't take the pain away.
As you can see, these babies are looking amazing. I love to say certain things, especially when we're waiting for a burger to be flipped. And I won't be long, but just if you got a dream, follow it. Make no excuses, make no delays, just follow it. I don't care what the dream may be, follow it. Put your heart in it and just do it. And that's it. No more excuses. Follow your dreams. As you can see right here, ladies and gentlemen, I had to switch up the pans. I had to bring out the big baby because I wanted to be able to squeeze all three on here so I could be able to throw everything all at once. The other one's a little bit too small, so I had to bring out the big guns for this one right here. I really had a lot of fun putting this together. It was really fun to see how it all came together. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, when I stacked this baby here, I was not expecting it to stand on its own at all. I thought it was going to fall right over, but we made it happen, and let me tell you, it was amazing. Folks, this right here is the finished product for this burger right here. As you can see, this one right here is made for a king. Definitely will have to have your appetite ready for this because it is definitely going to fill you up. Jeez. The taste was amazing. It was really good. You definitely need your fork and a knife for this one. This next one, I wanted to add just some onions and some bacon just to give it something different. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I thank you so much. I love y'all. Please don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know how your day is going, and if you're a YouTuber and you got a new video, please do let me know about the video, and I will definitely swing by and check it out and show my support. Righty, ladies and gentlemen, look at this masterpiece right here. It looks amazing. This is only made for a king. You can't be on no little kitty stuff if you want to conquer this baby right here. You have to be ready. And here we go right here. It's like a little baby. And this one right here has triple, and this one right here has double the meat. And we have bacon, we have our onions, and let me tell you folks, it is going to be amazing. Look at that cheese right there, just drip down. Oh man, I can't wait. Well, if you like this right here, and this satisfies your craving, please do Hulk smash that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. And also, leave a comment below and let me know if you will be able to take this baby down right here. Alright? I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Kool Zone out.
Make me feel so great.